Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a review video and this is going to be about my favorite product, and it is L'Oreal Paris Infallible Foundation. It is called as actually L'Oreal Paris Infallible Stay Fresh Foundation, and it is a 24-hour foundation. I am in the shade 250 Radiant Sand. So let me first get you through the claims of this product, and it says that it is 24-hour flawless complexion, just applied finish, no transfer, no visible imperfections, no visible shine, no dry out, no mask effect. So it has claimed that it is enriched with hydrating hyaluron and extreme hold pigments for optimum comfort. So let's see whether it proves its claim. It is of a glass bottle like this and a plastic cap. When you open this cap, it has a pump, which is a very hygienic way of getting a right amount of product from this bottle. There won't be any product wastage. So while applying this foundation, when you have seen that tutorial, you would know that I have taken only one pump of foundation for application, and it has almost covered all my acne spots, all my redness, all my under eye pigmentation, everything. I have not set this with a powder because it is said to be having a matte finish. I tried it out for 24 hours, and this is the second time I'm using this regarding the claim, I say no transfer. It does transfer somewhat, because after 6 hours my T-zone got somewhat oily, so I just blotted it with a tissue paper, but I got to see a bit of transfer from my the foundation from my nose area. So it is a bit transferable, and no visible imperfection. I agree to this claim because it has completely covered all my acne spots. This is just one layer, guys. If you layer it up, you can get a flawless coverage, flawless finish using this foundation. And next, no visible shine. When you apply this, it gives you a matte finish. You don't have to actually set it with powder, but after some time it does make your face a bit shiny near your cheek area, nose, especially on your T-zone if you're of an oily skin beauty. No dry out. It does not cling to my dry patches, especially my acne marks which has dried out. It did not cling to my acne marks at all. no mask effect. Yeah, it doesn't give any mask effect. If you take a perfect color for you, it does not seem to be a mask like, because this shade does match me perfectly, and that is why I look flawless. And also it just feels like your skin. You don't feel as if you have some product on your face like a foundation, and it is pretty natural, and also give you a full coverage and a long stay foundation. I forgot to tell you the price of this foundation. It costs rupees thousands. And talking about the sun protection or SPF, it has an SPF of 18. While taking photographs, certain foundation like Revlon Color Stay will show up white star because of the SPF content in it, but this foundation doesn't show such white marks on your face. It is of 30 ml. I feel that this foundation is worth buying. For beginners, I won't recommend this foundation. Once you apply this foundation, you have to work quickly. If you see this finish, I feel it like my skin. If you're a dry skin beauty, I would not recommend this foundation for you, because it might make you feel your skin feel a bit dry. But when you have a well moisturized face, you can use it. You don't have to use any primer underneath. It works well without a primer and stays for a long. It does not make my pore visible. It completely fills up my pores. So I think this is gonna be my favorites of the year 26. Even if we sweat, this foundation does not melt down. So I give a big thumbs up for this foundation, and I recommend everybody to buy this. This works well for combination skin as well as oily skin beauties. My face is pretty oily on my T-zone and my cheek area, and dry on my jawline. So I like this foundation and love the coverage. You can use it for any occasions, and for daily wear you can take half a pump of foundation and apply on your face. You can build it up only up to 2 layers. If you build it up more than 2 layers, it will give you a mask effect, but you don't have to do that, because a single layer will give you a full coverage finish. If this doesn't satisfy you, you can go for the second layer, but I would recommend you to use only 1 layer of this foundation. And once you apply this foundation, please work quickly on it, else it will get set so quickly and you cannot move it. You can easily apply this foundation with your fingers. As you have seen the tutorial, I have applied it with my fingers only. And you don't have to use any concealer while using this foundation, because this itself acts as a concealer for you, and you can visibly see there is no dark circles around that is under my eyes. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. Also let me know if you have used this foundation, how did it fare for you, and your experience with this foundation below in the comment section. I'll see you in my next video, and bye.